recording.
When I was 8 years old, my granny two shoes was fading slow. So my mom found your mom to take care of her. But as things would go, my granny two shoes was fading slow. So your mom took care of me instead. I said, hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. When I was 12 years old, I loved your mom so much. I made her an account on plenty of fish. 1 year later, your parents met. And you came along 2 years after that. I said, hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. When you were really, really small, your mother placed you in my life. She said, now look what you done. You take care of her. You be the god mom. I said, hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. When it's raining in the park, scary dreams in the dark. Sometimes I don't finish everything on my plate. Sometimes I sleep in the middle of the day. Sometimes you don't need anything to say. I say hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah.